In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with GitLab. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your GitLab account securely connected to Lovable, so you can streamline your work without jumping between tools. Let's start right at the Lovable dashboard. Open your browser and head to the Lovable website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account using your usual method. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, look toward the bottom area for your account or profile icon. That's where Lovable keeps the key account options. Click it to open your account menu, then choose Settings. This brings you into the place where all your integrations and account level controls live. Inside Settings, go to the Connectors section. This is where you'll link external services to Lovable. In the Connectors view, use the search field and type GitLab. This filters the available integrations so you can find GitLab quickly. When GitLab appears in the results, click it to open the integration details. Next, click Add Connection. This starts the short flow to link Lovable with your GitLab identity. On the connection type screen, choose gitlab.com. This option is for the hosted GitLab service you access on the web. Selecting it will prepare Lovable to request the right permissions from GitLab. Now click Authorize with GitLab. Your browser will open a GitLab permissions page asking you to confirm access. This step is important because it lets Lovable read the repositories and data it needs to function. Take a moment to review what's being requested and make sure you're comfortable with the access level. If GitLab prompts you to sign in first, go ahead and do that. When you're on the authorization screen, choose the GitLab account you want to connect. If you have more than one GitLab identity, select the one that matches the projects you plan to use with Lovable. After selecting the account, confirm the authorization. Back in Lovable, click Connect to finalize everything. That's the last action to complete the link. You should see a confirmation or the new GitLab connection listed among your connectors. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a quick refresh. And that's it. You navigated to the Lovable dashboard, opened Settings, went into Connectors, searched for and selected GitLab, added a new connection, chose gitlab.com, authorized with GitLab, picked the correct account, and clicked Connect to finish. You're ready to use your GitLab projects inside Lovable.